Now we will learn maths. In previous video we had revised the chapter number 1, place value. I hope all of you understood that and you don't have any doubt. Now we are going to revise second chapter, addition. All of you know how to add the numbers, but you have to remember these things. When you change the order of numbers while adding, the sum does not change. The sum is always greater than the numbers being added except when one of the numbers is a 0. When you add 1 to a number, the sum is the number after. The sum of 0 and any number is the same number. If we are adding any number, if a 0 is there, so the same number will the answer, and if we are adding 1, then the after number is the answer. Now we will see adding two numbers. Adding 10 to a number is very easy. Means if we want to do 8 plus 5, then we will do 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, and we have to minus 2 from this 5. So here will be 3. We had done two parts of 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Break up the second number to make a 10. Whatever the second number, we will break into two parts and we will add the number which is required for 10. For example, here is 9 plus 4. So how many numbers we need to make 10? So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, and the part of 4 we will do two parts of 4. Here we had add 1, so rest 3 will here. So 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. These are the examples. I hope you all had done. Now we will see some more about addition. We often use addition when we have to find how many are there in all. Sometimes we use addition in other situations too. Here is one example. Shrikant was blowing balloons to put up on sports day. He had blown some when 4 of the balloons burst. Now only 5 balloons are left. How many balloons had Shrikant blown in the beginning? So Shrikant has burst the balloon 4. How many balloons he had burst? 4. And how many balloons he had left? So he had left 5 balloons. So we will add 4 plus 5. The number of balloons that burst added to the number of balloons left with Shrikant will tell us how many balloons he had in the beginning. So we will add 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, and we will write the answer like this. Shrikant had blown 9 balloons in the beginning. We can write this also. Balloons 4 burst, 5 left. So 4 plus 5 balloons in the beginning. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And these are the challenges that you have to try by yourself. Now we will see 3-digit addition with regrouping. When you have more than 9 ones, you can regroup 10 ones into 110. That we will see now in this example. Many people come to watch the sports day function. 327 people left early. 256 people stayed on to watch the prize distribution ceremony. how many people had come at the start of the program? So here are given 327 people left early and 256 people stayed over there. So we have to add to this number. We will write like this: 327 plus 256. Whenever we write the digits, we have to write properly like this. So we will start from the ones place. What will we do? Will we start from ones place or hundreds place? As all of you remember that we will start from the hundreds place. First of all, 7 plus 6. What will be answer? 13. So we will write here 3 and we will carry 1 here. We don't have to write here 13, but we will write here only ones place 3 and 1 is at tens place. Now we will count tens number. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So answer will be 8 of the tens place. And afterward we will count hundreds place. 3 plus 2, 5. So answer will be 5. So the answer is 583 people had come at the start of the program. We have to count like this. Don't forget that we have to start addition with the ones place. As I told you so many times, don't forget about it and start the addition with ones place. These are the examples also that you can refer for the addition. Now we will see some more examples of regrouping. Sometimes when you add, you need to regroup 10 as 100. Now we will see in this example. There were 273 students from the primary section who participated in sports day. There were 342 students more than that who participated from secondary school. How many students participated from the secondary section? So for that we have to add 273 plus 342. Now again we will start here at the ones place. 273 plus 342. We will start from the ones place. 3 plus 2, 5. Then we will go on tens place. 7 plus 4. What will be the answer? 7 plus 4, 11. So what will we do? Here we will write 11. No, here we have to write 1 at tens place and 1 at hundreds place. And afterward we will count all these three numbers. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Again I am telling 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So answer will be 615. There were 650 students from the secondary section. One more example is here. 375 plus 552. So here we have to start from ones place. 5 plus 2, 7. Then at tens place, 7 plus 5. What will be the answer? 7 plus 5, 12. Shall we write here 12? No. We could not write here 12. We have to write 2 at the tens place and 1 at the hundreds place, because we are carrying 1 at the hundreds place. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So here 2, 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 9. So answer is 927. These are the examples for regrouping tens. So we will do this much only, and now rest of the addition we will do in the next lecture. So keep practicing for the addition. Thank you and have a nice day.